Mommy, I love you. Sorry ka. Sorry if ano ako. Sorry if na-disappoint ka sa akong mga binuhatan. Sorry if I'm not the daughter na you wanted me to be. Sorry if dili ko mag-open up sa iyong mukha. Sorry if feeling mo nga dili ko makigsuot sa iyong mukha. Sorry. Sorry kaayo, Mommy. I just want you to understand nga dili pud bitaw lalim sa ako ang part nga mag-adjust sa iyong mukha, nga makigsuot sa iyong mukha kay aware mo po dyan girl ka nga wala di ko gid ako kauban ka and if muli ka kasi mama pero ako pangitaon bisag naa ka. And sorry if ma-feeling mo nga dili ko ganahan nimo or sorry if feeling mo nga dili ka love pero Mommy no words dyan can describe how thankful I am sa iyong mukha. Bisag dili ko showy, bisag dili tikaingnan. No, I always pray for you. Nagalit ni mo kayo. I just want to hug you so tight. And I want to show you good bitaw na I love you and I am very thankful sa iyong mukha ug sa sacrifice na imong gibuhat sa ato ang family na you being there to buy alone without us dili dyan siya lalim bitaw nga you have to do everything alone di pa siya kumachat nimo so you feel like you're alone sorry karon nga nag-away ta dili ko nimo pansin nun pansin na ako pansin na ako nga ako kapit na akong birthday ulian ako dahil
I thought Kyle was different. Abiraday na ako. But he was just like my past relationships. Maayo ra sa sugod. Abinakog siya ng pinaka-perfect nga laki. The man of my dreams. Or so I thought he was. Not until something happened.
Babe, I'm here na. What's the problem? Nga no, sa school ground man ta mag-talk. Naan tropa sa cafeteria. Tala ato ta dito.
Kyle.
Makuyawan man sa tanang Kyle yung tawag na kong baby. Saan naman po na kong sala? May uli man ko diretso after practice kagabi. Kaya numdum na ko. Kalimot kong tawag ni mo babe. Kaya nakatulog na ko. Harsh na kaya ang training ni coach. Championship naman ko next week.
No, it's not about that. It's something else.
Seryosoha po ni mo, babe, wey. Chill lang po. Guwapa para ba kay ka? Basta mo katawa ka?
Kyle, stop joking around. Please lang, palihog. Seryoso sa...
Sagod na, babe. How serious you want ba? It's not like I'm gonna be a dad na.
Yes, you are.
Ha? Simingon?
You heard me. You're going to be a dad. Burus ko, Kyle. I took the pregnancy test last night. Twice. Nag-test ko because I missed my period for 2 weeks already.
You're pregnant? As in? As in you'll be having a baby?
Unsay you? Us. We are having a baby. Ano shock mong kay ka nga binuhatan man nato ni?
Dili pwede, Leia. Patyon ko sa kong mom and dad, ubasig na limot ka. Championship na mo next week. May expel ko sa school if may bala nila ni.
Really, Kyle? Kanang nasi mo na huna? How about me? Think of me too.
Dili pwede. We're just students.
So what do you want me to do?
I don't know. All I know is dili pwede.
You're too selfish and self-centered. You are a coward.
Shut up! How sure am I if it's mine?
How dare you question me that? I'm only seeing you and you know that. Kung dili niyo mo kaya ni panindigan, then don't. But don't you ever question me that. Bayot manday ka?
Well, I promise I'm no longer mad at you, 'cause leaving me was the best thing that you could do. 'Cause if you stayed, I would never recognize that myself can never again be compromised. Well, the lies that you told me sparked a fire that set ablaze the trees that were quickly burned but used to serve as my security. So thank you for doing what I could never do. Turns out the last thing I needed was you. And thank you for telling me I was not enough. Turns out your words built in me some self-love. Well, the tears that I cried formed an ocean that taught me how to swim against the current of your lies that said that I'm inadequate. And turns out when no one's there to save you from drowning in your pain, you learn real fast that it's up to you to grow from it.